Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to do a makeup review slash testing out some really cool adhesive eyeliners, which I've never tried before, and I think it's like a new thing and it's super exciting because obviously it's like a two-in-one. Basically it replaces the adhesive eyelash glue and an eyeliner. So yeah, I'm super excited and we're gonna test it out and we're gonna see if it lasts all day. So the eyeliners that I will be testing out today are from Velvet Cream, and this is what they look like. This is what the packaging looks like. I'll show you everything after. These are the two colors. They come in black and clear. And Velvet Cream, they're basically a lash company, but they came out with these amazing, revolutionary adhesive eyeliners. So this is what they look like when you get them out of the package. And this is what they look like. So as you can tell, one is black, one is completely clear. I'm going to be using these lashes from Velvet Cream as well. They're really beautiful, kind of like really wispy. This is what they look like. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to apply some of the liner onto the back of my hand and stick some other lashes to see like if it adheres to just the back of my hand. It says to wait like 5 to 10 seconds. As you can tell, they're on the liner. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the clear one on my hand. Also, these don't smell like anything. They don't have like that lash glue smell at all. Now, when it comes to the clear one, I don't know if you can tell, it is very transparent. I put it on my hand, but I don't know if you can tell. Look, I'll do another one. I don't think you can really tell because it's extremely transparent, which is amazing because it will not dry like white. Okay, so I've put on the lashes and they are sticking, you guys. Wow. They're literally sticking. I'm so excited to put it on my eyes. Anyway, so this eye, I will do the black liner. It is super duper easy to apply, honestly. Like, that was super easy. The felt tip is super smooth. It goes on really well. I tested out some liners and they were super dry. This one has like the perfect consistency. It could just be a liner. Okay, so I've applied these with the Velvet Cream lash applicator. And oh my goodness, I love this. The application went on super smoothly. The liner is beautiful. It's super black. Let me, you guys see. And also, like the tip, you see, like it's not sticky. It's not sticky whatsoever. Anyway, so now I'm going to apply the clear liner. I'm sorry. I'm going to apply the clear liner over here. It's going to look weird because obviously this is such a nice liner. This is going to be clear, but it's fine. Realized is that, you know how obviously you apply your liner, you kind of apply it like this. Well, if you do this with the clear one, it kind of wipes the eyeshadow underneath. So I think that the way to go is to pat the liner, if that makes sense, and not swipe, because it will literally swipe everything you have underneath. So if you want to, okay, so I'm going to apply the lashes now. Seems like no matter how much clear, you know, the clear glue, the clear eyeliner glue, no matter how much I try to reapply, it doesn't want to stick. So yeah, like it really does not want to stick. Now it is very hot outside, that's, you know, maybe why, but the outer corner is sticking pretty well, but yeah. The clear liner is not working out at all for me. I'm sorry, my camera just died. But anyways, what I decided to do is just to do the black liner, again, the adhesive black liner, and on this eye as well, and to see at the end of the day how it performs, because the clear one was not sticking at all. So I've applied the other lash. This is what they look like. I love these lashes so much. They're really wispy, but they're not like too dramatic. And I did apply a little bit of blush on my cheeks. Anyways, we're gonna see how these held up. So this was the black liner and this was the clear one. So we're gonna, I mean, you can see the clear did actually pretty well. It is again pulling in the inner corners, but yeah, the clear one stuck a little bit, but not too much. The black one is like stuck there. Like as you can tell. Now, as far as like, is it sticky? It's absolutely not sticky. Anyway, so this is what the finished result looks like. It is currently 4:45. I will update you at the end of the day how everything lasted. My hair is literally getting super frizzy because it is super hot outside. I'm freaking out. I mean, I've turned off like my fan and my AC and everything, so it's not like too distracting to the video, but yeah. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so I am back and it is now almost 6 o'clock. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell. But anyways, so I am back. I've, you know, done stuff, curled my hair a little bit, changed, and my makeup is literally all worn off. Just to remind you, I didn't do the clear, wait. This is the black adhesive liner from Velvet Cream that I tried on my eyes. They also have a clear one, but it really didn't work upon application, so I didn't see the point of like trying to wear it all day long if it just didn't work as soon as I applied it. So yeah. Okay, so this is after a lot of hours. My eyeshadow has creased a little bit, but you can tell the liner. You guys, this is the best liner I've ever tried. Usually my liner transfers up here all the time. This liner did not transfer whatsoever. My eyeshadow did crease, but that's because I didn't put a base underneath. That's completely my fault. The wing has stayed intact, although I have cried. I mean, not cry, but you know, like when you kind of lay your head, you have like tears coming down, and it hasn't budged, you guys. And I don't know if it's waterproof, I don't think so, but I can't believe it hasn't budged. You can see the line is literally the exact same way as I applied it. It's an amazing liner, and it is not sticky whatsoever. Like, there's nothing that sticks to it. It's not sticky. Also, another thing that I'm noticing is that oftentimes when I have eyeshadow, and obviously I blink, there's always a little bit of eyeshadow that gets on the liner. It's either the liner going into my eyeshadow or my eyeshadow going into my liner. But, and I thought this would happen because it's, you know, it's an adhesive, it's gonna be a little more sticky, but it's actually not sticky whatsoever, and the line has stayed super black, pitch black, which is amazing. Now on this eye, as you can see, the inner corner has detached a little bit, just a little bit, just a tiny bit. It's not even visible. It's visible up close, but it's not visible afar. And then, anyways, so yeah, I am literally super impressed with this liner. I cannot believe that we went so long without such an invention. Basically, like, it's just the best thing ever. Like, it's the best invention ever. I can't believe that an eyeliner is able to stick your lashes, meanwhile be super black and super precise, stay all day, not crease, not fade, not mess up your eyeshadow. My eyeshadow is kind of messed up because I didn't put any base, any primer on it, so that's what happens when you don't prime your eyelids. But as far as the liner goes, it's amazing. Also, their lashes are really beautiful. I'll put the name of the lashes that I'm using right now, and also a code for you guys to, also a discount code for you guys. But yeah, I am super impressed with them. Like, I've been wearing them all day long. I went grocery shopping, I ate. Literally everything is gone on my face, my nose. I wear a mask. Everything is literally like all smeared on my face, but my liner has stayed intact. So yeah, if that doesn't tell you something, I don't know what does. It's an amazing liner. It's really good. Wow. I literally can't believe it. I keep looking at it. I'm like, it's not real. Like, are you kidding me? How is this even real? Velvet Cream, you did something here. Wow, I'm really impressed. Anyways, I'm going to try to take it off to see just how easy it is or how hard it is. I don't think it's going to be hard. Okay, I'm just going to... I mean, I'm pulling it and it's... Okay. Oh, that was really easy. And the lashes, you guys, it's like I've applied nothing. The lashes are literally intact. So that tells me that you can reuse your lashes, because obviously when you use a lot of lash glue on your lashes, like after, 2 weeks of using them every day, they're gone. They're full of glue, they're sticky, they're just a mess. Anyway, so that is it for my review on these Velvet Cream adhesive liners. I am super excited about them. The black one is amazing. You need to check it out. Like, it is revolutionary. I'll link it down below. It will change your life. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you friends so much. Bye.